delicious. Alright, we're gonna go in with some spring onions. Give it like a rough chop, you know. We're not gonna be like 5-star, 7-star. We're just gonna keep it simple. I get that out of the way. Cloves of garlic, we're in with. Roughly chop that. Let's slice it up. Easy. Out the way. One shallot. Then we're gonna roughly chop that as well. I hope that my audio is not too bad because I'm actually on my job right now and I'm making this video just for you guys. So I hope it's not too bad. But anyway, back into the video. We're gonna slice that out the way, right? Beautiful. We're gonna get one carrot. We're gonna roughly chop that as well. Yeah, slice that. Easy. Nice. Alright, piece of ginger. We're not gonna use all of that, yeah? But I was doing something else, so I just did the whole thing. But yeah. One chili in with that. Roughly chop that. And out of the way. Alright, we're gonna end with the chicken now. Salt, black pepper. Okay, we're in with some ginger powder. And we're going in with some paprika as well. Alright, we're gonna get that out of the way. Easy season. But you can season it anyhow you like. You know, so it's whatever like your taste preference is. Alright, we're gonna make sure that pan is like hot, yeah? We don't want a cold pan when we put in the vegetables because we're gonna like give it a shallow fry and steam it after, you know? So it's gonna be nice. Mix all it with the bell peppers. Mix that. Beautiful. Now the shallots in. Give it a mix. So spring onion. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Yo, we're looking so good right now. We're looking so good. We're gonna season your veg, yeah? You need to season your veg. You can't like go with tasteless vegetables. You don't need to season it. Yeah. Give it a stir. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice, very nice. We're looking good right now. And now we're just gonna lay the chicken on top of that. Right? Because we're gonna steam it. But I think I don't want to leave it like that yet. So I mixed it up because I was going the real way that my friend showed me to do it, but I did it my own way. You know, a little bit of water, some spring onion and some oyster sauce. We're gonna get some dark soy sauce in there as well. Right? Let's give it a nice quick stir. You see the whole water light is not much. Just gonna steam it. Yeah, very nice. We're looking good. We're looking good. Tasty. That chicken is so tasty. Right, beautiful. Table 47. Beautiful. Now we're ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you do, you can leave a like, hit subscribe as well for more. Because I'm going to drop some way more simple recipes like for everyone to enjoy. And I hope you did enjoy the video. Until then, I'm going to catch you all in another one. Peace.